Hi everyone, I'm here at Slepe Heath. This is the largest lowland nature reserve in Dorset and Great Britain. Oh, it's very therapeutic, so I just had to take a drive from North Dorset down to South Dorset, and it's been so worth it because to get away from all the rain inland and then to come to here, wow, this says it all. You've still got some cloud up above, but you've got the light above Creech Hill. You see that beyond, and the Purbeck Ridge. I want the whole of Heartland Moor just across there to light up. Obviously I want Slepe Heath with its gorgeous pine trees and different types of heather and the sandy footpaths. Look at that. The yellow gorse has disappeared, but it's now got the colours of the purple and then some lush greens in between and the golden grasses. Look at that. And then further into autumn and winter it goes even more golden and earthen colours, and the purple turns to brown. That's the Purbeck Ridge all the way across, and then in between, if I can zoom in, is Corfe Castle. Isn't that stunning? I want to zoom out again if I can. There. But what is wonderful about this area, and I keep painting it, is the compositions, and the perspective is just perfect for landscape painting. I can't wait to see the ferns go copper and gold and bronze. I can't wait to see a sunset. And I'm not going to get that today. I shall come back here again very soon. And this is the end of July. High summer in Dorset. Isn't it beautiful?